Welcome to the ultimate test of strength, style and staying power. This is the Extreme Waterproof Magic Wig Glue, and in this video, you're about to see exactly why it's called magic. Let's start with what makes this glue legendary, which is the extreme hold. This isn't your average wig glue. We're talking next-level grip that laughs in the face of humidity, sweat and long days. Watch closely. Yes, that's a full lace frontal glued to a watermelon. And guess what? That melon is being lifted by the hair and the lace stays put. No lifting, no slipping, no embarrassing moments. Whether you're dancing, at the gym or caught in a downpour, your wig stays flawless. Just one application of this glue, and you're locked in with a natural-looking hold that doesn't budge. Not for a few hours, not for a day, for as long as you need. We've seen many queens pull, stretch, twist and still. Their lace isn't going anywhere. That's the power of magic wig glue. Now let's talk waterproof. This glue doesn't just claim to be waterproof, it proves it. Showers? No problem. Swimming? Bring it on. Humidity? The lace doesn't even blink. You're watching real-life tests. Real queens stepping into the shower and letting the water hit with full pressure. Yet not a single part of their lace lifts. But it doesn't stop there. This glue is not only waterproof, it's oil-resistant too. Watch closely as this queen pours oil directly onto her lace. Not a drip of glue breaks down. No sliding, no lifting. The lace stays completely intact like it was just installed. That's the power of magic wig glue. Whether you're sweating at the gym, applying skincare or styling with oils, your lace isn't going anywhere. Have you ever seen a glue that can withstand oil before? Let's be honest, you know from experience. Sometimes all it takes is a little sweat and your lace starts lifting like it has a mind of its own. But those stressful days, they're officially over. Thank God. This glue isn't just strong, it's smart. It's built for real-life wear. Oil, sweat, humidity, whatever life throws at your lace, magic wig glue holds it down so you can hold your head high. Now, how do you get this kind of hold? Let's break down the application. Start with a clean, dry surface. Apply a thin layer of the glue along the lace line. Let it sit for about 2 minutes until it becomes tacky, then gently press the lace into place. But here's the secret to unlocking the full power of this glue. Tie your lace down. Use a lace band or a silk scarf and wrap your edges. To achieve extreme hold, you've got to let the glue do its job. That means keeping your lace band or scarf on for as long as possible. The longer you leave it, the stronger the melt. Don't rush the process. This is the secret step that takes your install from good to flawless. That little bit of extra patience gives you the strongest, most seamless melt possible. No lifting, no white residue. If you're tired of your lace lifting at the worst possible moments, if you're done with glue that can't keep up with your lifestyle, and you're ready to enjoy your lace installs longer, with less stress, then Blessedluv Magic Wig Glue is exactly what you need. Everything you've seen in this video, yes, you can achieve that too. And the best part? We've kept the price low for a limited time only, so now is the perfect time to grab yours. Ready to experience the hold, the melt and the magic? You can find Blessedluv Magic Wig Glue in 3 easy ways. Check the video description below, click the pinned comment in the comment section, or tap the product tag right on this video. Don't wait, Queen. Grab yours now and step into the security and confidence you deserve with Blessedluv. Let's talk about just how strong this glue really is. With Magic Wig Glue, you can walk with confidence knowing your wig isn't going anywhere. No more worrying about your wig blowing off in the wind, slipping while you're dancing, or someone trying to playfully tug it off because it's not moving. This glue bonds like a second skin. It melts the lace down so securely, it becomes one with you. That kind of strength is rare, and it's exactly why this is one of the most sought-after lace glues on the market. It's trusted by queens who refuse to settle for anything less than rock-solid security and a flawless finish. Now let's talk about the question that must be going through your mind. How do you remove the glue from your head? This glue is powerful, but don't worry, it's just as easy to take off when you're ready. All you need is a quality lace adhesive remover. Spray gently along the glued area, let it soak for a few seconds, and your lace will begin to lift. No waiting for hours, no ripping, no damage to your edges. Take your time, go gently, and your skin will thank you. Remember, only a proper remover can break down this level of hold safely. Don't use alcohol, trust the removers made for this job. So why is Magic Wig Glue the top choice for confident wig wearers? It's because this glue was designed for real-life queens who want to look flawless without the fear of their lace betraying them. Let's break down why it's become a staple in so many beauty routines. Extreme hold for long wear. This isn't a one-day wonder. Magic Wig Glue is made for those who want their install to last. Whether you wear your wig for a weekend or a full week, this glue stays strong. It's perfect for those who don't want to reapply every day. Once it's melted and set, it gives you the freedom to live your life without constantly checking a mirror. You can sleep, dance, travel, or run errands, knowing your lace is locked in. This is the kind of hold that turns a regular install into a lifestyle. Invisible bonding that melts into skin. What strength without beauty? Magic Wig. Glue doesn't just hold, it vanishes. The formula is designed to create a clean, invisible bond that lays your lace so flat and flawless, it looks like it's growing straight from your scalp. No shine. No white residue. No obvious glue lines. Whether you're going glueless or going glam, your install will give scalp every time. This glue lets your lace blend so naturally, it's your little beauty secret no one will ever guess. Waterproof protection for your most active days. From unexpected weather to high-intensity workouts, life doesn't slow down, and neither should your lace. With Magic Wig Glue, you can embrace every moment without hesitation. Go ahead and hit the pool, take that steamy shower, or power through your fitness goals. This glue is built to resist it all. Rain, sweat, steam, or heat, it doesn't melt down or give up. It keeps your look locked in place through every challenge and every celebration. So now you've seen the strength, you've seen the proof, and you've seen why Magic Wig Glue isn't just another product, it's a must-have for every confident wig wearer. Whether you're new to lace or a seasoned pro, this glue was made to elevate your install, protect your peace, and let you live life without limits. It's not just about keeping your wig on, it's about keeping your confidence on. So go ahead, queen secure your style, protect your hairline, and step out knowing your lace isn't going anywhere. Magic Wig Glue. Extreme hold. Seamless melt. Worry-free wear. Because you deserve nothing less than magic.